Hi, welcome to Dream Doors Canterbury.
With Dream Doors you could save on a new kitchen.
Instead of replacing the whole kitchen, we can come in and we can replace everything that you can see, i.e. the worktops, the doors, the end panels and handles.
With Dream Doors you can save up to half the time, the cost, the hassle without compromising on quality.
Dream Doors Canterbury use local trusted professionals to fit your kitchens.
In our Canterbury showroom we have a range of Blanco sinks and taps, Branca sinks and taps, Samsung appliances, Hetich hinges, Wharf seamless worktops and a range of other high quality brands.
We're located on 28 St Dunstan Street in Canterbury. Do come in and visit us.